Good morning, Chuck and Paige here in Koh Lipe, Thailand.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. Got this kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
Had a great night's sleep. Slept pretty good in here. The air conditioner works really good, which is very important, I think, on this island. If you're looking for a place in Thailand that is quiet, you're not going to find it anywhere in Thailand, I think. This is a very noisy place. Mostly the locals are noisier than the tourists, but hey, whatever. It's a beautiful spot. I actually went down and made a video this morning with the kind of the beautiful sunrise, but my camera decided to make this buzzing noise. I don't know why. I guess when I get back home, I'm going to have to buy another camera. That's the thing I do right now, I guess, buy cameras and bicycles, right? Anyway, I had a couple comments on the last couple videos that I did. I think in Cha'am, I had this buzzing noise just appeared, or something going on internally with the camera. It's not the Wi-Fi or anything like that, but yeah, I don't know. I tried to edit the sound of it. I had one guy tell me, oh, I've been a long time watcher, but I cannot watch your videos any longer because the video was unwatchable and the noise is horrendous. I had to laugh about that because, you know, I try really hard to make the videos look good because I know sometimes people watch them on TVs, and I buy all this stuff to try to make it look good, but this guy's going to have a difficult time not only in life, but in Thailand, looking for perfection. But most of the videos on YouTube are done by amateurs and they're very shaky. Some of the guys that have hundreds of thousands more subscribers than me, yeah, watch their channel and see how stable and perfect it is. But so yeah, we did walk down and have a good breakfast on the water. I edited it out for you. Let me share it with you. The picture on the menu showed sausage, not Oscar Mayer. Oh well. Again with the wieners. That looks pretty good. You got you a friend here?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, feel better now? Breakfast on the beach on a tropical island, 530 baht. Awesome. So let's go up. We're gonna go have some lunch now, and we are going on a boat tour. We're gonna go do a half a day snorkeling. Excited? What do you guys think about my shirt? Can't see it. Anyway, gonna go snorkeling, gonna bring you guys along. Very cool place. But very, very hot, yeah, lawn. The ladies that work here from Isan. But Paige noticed that, but she said that it sounds like they have a southern accent. Huh? Maybe they've been here a little too long. I wonder what my critics would say if they heard her talk. Oh, you're not speaking correctly. She said an Isan word in kind of a southern accent. Language isn't perfect here either. Coconut smoothie.
Just need a little bit of pineapple.
All it needs is some Bacardi. Well, that was a very good lunch. She said most of the people that work out here are from Isan. That's usually in most all the touristy areas. Isan people are, to me, the hardest working people in Thailand. But they'll do jobs like this. But anyway, 240 baht, including my shake. Good deal. That was half of what breakfast cost.
I know. That's the place for you to eat.
Yeah.
You don't get the view, but
Yeah, we weren't by the ocean. We could have took it by the ocean, though. We could have took it to go. Okay, we got to go back to the room. They're going to pick us up from the room.
1 hour to digest a little.
Yeah, in about an hour. Picked us up. He just picked us up from the hotel on that. I thought it was going to be a
He said he
a
don't know.
taxi.
He don't know how to ride.
Anyway, we made it alive.
Is it short?
Here's a word of the day. The word of the day is danger. Danger in Thai language is antalai. Say it.
อันตราย
Antalai, danger. Word of the day, danger. Antalai.
เวทอินไทยได้เรือมีน้ำให้ใช่ไหม
Actually, we're gonna have, that wasn't gonna be my word of the day. My word of the day was gonna be island, since we're on an island. Island in Thai is Gaw. It's not Kaw. It's not spelled with a K in Thai. It's spelled with like a G sound. How do you say island in Thai?
ก็
Gaw. My Thai Kaw. Gaw. We are on the island of Koh Lipe, not Koh Lipe. Koh Lipe. Katoa Kap. How do you say island in Thai? Gaw. My Thai Kaw. Gaw. Okay. Padi. Gaw. Gaw Chang. Gaw Payam. Koh Lipe. Gaw Samet. Not Kaw.
เกาะสมุย
Oh.
เกาะพังงาน
Gaw Samui.
เกาะเตา
Gaw Samui. Word of the day, island.
ถ้าแบบนี้เราจะได้
Okay, we're off. Half a day excursion. 1,100 baht. How much was it total? 1,100 baht for both of us. And it comes with a snack or lunch or whatever you want to call it. There's 6 of us going. Beautiful sand. Look at that water. Named what?
Jasmine.
Just me?
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Yeah, like Jasmine. It's still my hand. That. Whoa.
ฝรั่งตัวนัก
Oh boy.
กินเบียร์เยอะโอ้โอเคไม่เป็นไร
Oh boy.
for 2 more people to show up. Well, that was fun, tired. You tired? We're hungry. We need a beer. Need some dinner. Okay, let's go. I don't know why that lady's yelling at me. Scary. This restaurant here has it has cat on the menu. Seriously. Well, we have to settle for beer chong. I was gonna leave, but these guys are they're Isan. They're Isan and very friendly. So our waiter's from Tonkin, which is close to where we're at. So anyway, I got Lapmu and Masamad. And you got Paige got fish soup. Cheers. 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 Man, that is so good. Okay, Lapmu.
ลาบหมูอร่อยเหมือนอีสานไหมแซ่บหมด
Ahan Isan. Sababa. Well, that was funny. I got to use my
อีสาน
Isan language skills. They were getting a kick out of that.
มื้ออื่น
We'll go back there and eat tomorrow. Ma'un. Tomorrow in Isan is Ma'un. Okay. Anyway, gonna go back to the room. Had an awesome day. Tired. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow. We'll see.